Hi guys, welcome to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. Today we're going to talk about the software that I'm using for video editing. It is the software that I'm using to upload my videos here in YouTube. And the name of the software is, as you can see in the screen, is Davinci Resolve 17. It is a free software, but if you go to the website blackmagicdesign.com, there are two versions of it. This one is the free version, nothing for you to pay. You can download it for both iOS and Windows PC. And then there's a studio version, which is you have to pay an additional amount of $295 US. But I somehow for the functionalities and the things that you can do here on the free version, I am quite satisfied. So I don't need this version anymore. I'm just using the free version for my YouTube videos. So the best thing about this, it's free and it's quite powerful and easy to use. So once you go into this website, you just download the software and install in your computer. So once installed, you just click this icon and open it up. So I've created a project here called demo. So if you're creating from scratch, you just click this Untitled project to create a new project. But for this demo, I'll just open this up, and then this is the default view that you will see. This is where you put your videos and pictures that you want to use for your video editing. This is the preview screen. This is how your video will look like once you are trying to finalize your video. So this is a preview window, and this is where what we call as your media pool, where you put your pictures and videos for your video editing. So let's try to put a picture and two pictures and a video, and try to create a video for your YouTube videos. So for example, I have here a video and two pictures that I want to use for my video editing. I would just drag this here, and then the pictures also. So now I have my video and two pictures here. So in order to start your timeline, you just drag your video here, and then in order to preview the video here, you can click or press L to start playing, the K button to stop, and the J button to reverse play. So let me show that. I will click L. Oops, sorry. Should be just one L. You can fast forward by clicking again L. Press K to stop. J to reverse. Then if you want to go immediately to the end of the video, then you can click these buttons. Then for example, I don't need this part of the video. It's either I cut or I could put the transition here so that it doesn't just pop out or the video just suddenly becomes like that. No, let me do something else. So for example, I want to start the video here. I want to remove this part of the video. I can just right click, and then split. Then it will split somewhere here in this line. And then I would just click or press delete. Then my video will start here. So if you would see the video, it will just start like that. What I would do is I will put a transition so that the how the video appears is a bit like gradual, not too drastic. You can click transitions. You can choose quite a number of transitions here. Then you can click Additive Resolve. See, there's a gradual showing of the video and not too drastic. So what you can do is, for example, you have a scenery here on a beach, or then you have a scenery here that is showing a mountain view. Then you want to have a transition in between. You can split the video and then add a blurred dissolve in between. Yeah, so it's like that. Then, so for example, I don't want this part of the video. I want to delete the rest. Then I just split again. Then remove the rest. So if you want to put a picture on top of the video, you can just click this to add another strip. So now you have the second strip here. You can drag your picture here. But what you can see is the picture is like covering most of your video. But for example, if for example you want to make it a bit small, somewhere on top, then you can click this inspector. Then you see this zoom. You can try to reduce the size by clicking here, and then just swipe to your cursor towards the left while holding the left click button. Yeah. And then you want to move this up, then you click this, hold it, the left click button, then swipe to the right on your mouse pad. Then of course you want to have a transition here again, so click transition. So it would look like this. Let's reverse a bit. Then you put your transition again. Wait, you can actually drag this if you want to make it longer. Then put the transition again. Yeah. So if you're going to play that, yeah. Then again, if you want to put more pictures, then you just click, create or add another strip, then drag your new picture onto the next strip. Then you can put your transitions again. So now, for example, you're done with your video editing, then you click your save project. Then after saving your project, you can save it to your to the final form of your video by clicking here to deliver, and then click add to render queue, then select drive where you want to save it, then I want to save it here. I will change this to demo. And then finally you click render all. Yeah. So once it's complete, then you're done. You can check how's your video like. Let me close this first. Here's the video, then let's try. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please click like. And then if you want to see some more of my videos, click subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.